Hello everybody, I am Shomukanti Giri. Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss that Pearson versus Inamdar, which is better for your GPAT preparation. Okay. See, these two books are different. Okay. So I am going to discuss this topic in a very briefly. Okay. So first of all, I'm talking about Pearson. Okay. So this book has three major advantages. Okay, like first thing is that very briefly, the theory portion of all GPAT syllabus. Okay, theory portion of the whole GPAT syllabus. Briefly, the theory portion of the GPAT syllabus has been written. Okay, and the note is very good. Okay, number two. Okay, number two, you will get topic wise, I mean subject plus topic wise MCQs. Okay, topic wise MCQs. Okay, with answers. Okay, but mind it, not explained answers, only the right options are there. Okay, plus answers. Okay, and the number three main advantage of Pearson book is some chapters. Okay, some topics are very well written. Okay, in Pearson. In case of pharmaceutics, okay, whole pharmaceutics syllabus is well written in Pearson. Okay, it is very briefly and well written in Pearson. And see, there are several tables. Okay, there are several tables, charts. Okay, that will help you. Okay, so pharmaceutical chemistry, I mean or pharmaceutical analysis. Pharmaceutical analysis and organic chemistry, microbiology. Okay, all are well written in Pearson. Okay, you can study the textbooks. Okay, for these particular subjects, and you can Pearson as a reference book. And for notes, okay, to make notes, you can use Pearson for pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical analysis, organic chemistry, and microbiology. Okay, and the main disadvantage of Pearson book is some questions, I mean some answers of the MCQs are wrongly taken. Okay, I mean some wrong answers are there. So that is the main disadvantage. And number two main disadvantage is the answers of that topic wise MCQs are not explained in detail. Okay, only the right options are there. So this is the, I think this is the book, Pearson is the book which is a must book for GPAT. Okay, maximum students have Pearson because it's a very good book, and topic wise MCQs and topic wise notes are there. Okay, then coming to the next book written by Inamdar. Okay, see, the main advantage of this book, the main advantage of this of the book written by Inamdar is you will get subject wise plus year wise MCQs with explained answers. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage of this book. Okay, you will will get the explained answers. You will get all MCQs and explained answers. Okay, but the major disadvantage of this book is you will not get any theory portion. Okay, I mean topic wise or subject wise theory portion is not there. Okay, and you will only get subject wise plus year wise MCQs with detailed explained answers. Okay, Inamdar is a kind of question bank and the detailed answers. Okay, so it's not a textbook or not a reference book. It is better to say that Inamdar is a question bank and with solved answers. Okay, see, my advice is if you can afford both these two books at a time, then you can use Pearson plus Inamdar. But if you can't afford Inamdar plus Pearson, then go for only Pearson. Okay, it's a must-read book for GPAT aspirants. Okay, and for that case, you can buy Inamdar with sharing. I mean, 2 or 3 friends you can jointly, collaboratively buy Inamdar, and for that particular case, prices will be equally distributed among yourselves. Okay, so choice is yours. Okay, hope all of you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.